These pre-fall 2024 trends were made just for shorties. Perfect for when you're craving fall fashion but the weather isn't cooperating. This season's dominating monochrome dressing color is gray. We saw this all over the runways at Carven, David Coma, Diesel, Remain, Stella McCartney, Valentino, and Versace. You could of course choose black accessories like Alyssa, Annie, Elizabeth, Pam, Rebecca, Stephanie, and Tanya. Gray and brown look just as good as black and brown. For proof, check out Camila and Lynn's outfits. And Cheryl's look here is a reminder that white can also work. Don't feel like you have to stick with one accessory color. Feel free to mix and match any neutral as done by Deborah and Annie. The red monochrome dressing trend has been heating up for a minute now, and it took a large number of looks at the pre-fall collections, such as Blue Marine, Brandon Maxwell, Carolina Herrera, Elie Saab, Ushan Song, Safia, and Valentino. Head to toe red is such a vibe. Just look at Hey Gia, and please tell me if I pronounced that wrong, Lori, Lucy, Chelsea, and Christy. If you don't have the wardrobe to put together an entire red monochrome outfit, don't worry. You can get the same look by supplementing with white pieces as done by Lois, or with pink pieces as seen on Grease. If you're short, you need to stop sleeping on skirt suits. Not only are they super flattering on petite statures, they were all over the pre-fall 2024 collections, including Erdem, a ton of looks at Givenchy, Max Mara, and Valentina. No matter your taste or lifestyle, there is a skirt suit for you. You could opt for a traditional fit as worn by Leah and Jennifer, or an oversized blazer version like Chloe's. You could also go for a retro ladylike vibe as seen on Lawrence, or a super modern take like Dion Lee's skirt suit on Ashley. Now tell me, will you be trying out any of these trends? If so, make sure to tag me because I'd love to see your outfit. Don't forget, keep it short.